So big and important that he'll be sending you to an offshore phone bank in a different time zone. And he's on at 11 every Saturday. Oh, and did I mention he's live? It's the Greg O'Donnell Financial Hour, Saturday morning at 11 on 560 KSFO.
Jackson. Yes, sir. In my office.
Yes, sir.
Explain this.
S&G Carpet?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, S&G Carpet sells carpet, waterproof core, hardwood, and laminate.
Yeah, I mean this.
Tax holiday sale?
We're tax collectors, Jackson.
Yes, sir.
That's impossible.
It's not, sir.
What?
This month during S&G's tax holiday sale, they'll give you 20% off select flooring.
They will?
And pay the sales tax.
That's illegal.
No, it's not, sir.
It's not?
No.
Oh. Well, then make it a state holiday.
Sir, S&G's tax holiday sale just means S&G will pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring, even Karastan.
The country?
Karastan makes luxury flooring, sir.
Oh. Well, how do they get
I'll be in
everyone?
my office,
That's
sir.
a big country.
Not a country.
During November's tax holiday sale, S&G will pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring, even Karastan. Plus, get their no surprise guarantee and promise to beat any written estimate by 10%.
S&G Morning Carpet.
Go to sgcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you, or to have their mobile showroom come to you. Now offering tile and carpet cleaning.
If I could be you,
And you could be me for just 1 hour.
if you could find a way,
To get inside each other's mind.
walk a mile in my shoes. Walk a mile in my shoes.
Walk a mile in my shoes.
We've all felt left out. And for some, that feeling lasts more than a moment. We can change that. Learn how at belongingbeginswithus.org. Brought to you by the Ad Council.
Walk a mile in my shoes.
This exclusive address, forhims.com. For your free online visit, forhims.com/radio. Finding a great campus buyer can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack, but not with ZipRecruiter. It's powerful, actively find and invite qualified candidates to apply to your job. So while other companies might deliver a lot of pay, ZipRecruiter finds you a needle in a haystack. See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free. Smith & Wesson is committed to empowering Americans no matter what. With inflation hitting everywhere, we've decided to make a change. Now, you can buy a Smith & Wesson Shield Plus, the most popular concealed carry firearm, at an all-new low price. $100 off MSRP. We're absorbing the cost, passing along the savings to you, so you don't have to compromise on personal security. Visit SmithandWesson.com to find the Shield Plus near you. Smith & Wesson. What's the value? Get with the app and you can listen to
The free iHeartRadio app is the future of audio, and it's available now in your app store. Listen to what you want, when you want, wherever you want. Download the free iHeartRadio app for all the music, radio, and podcasts you love. What you need to know right now. They also want witness statements and other materials from the investigation and in the days ahead.
The need is issued a permanent injunction to keep the law from being enforced.
Depend on news updates when you need them. Power Talk, 1560 KFIV.
You ready to log in and win?
Oh my God!
KFIV has your chance to win $1,000 right now. Brought to you by Eagle Insurance Services. Just use making insurance on our website. Check. Check. Enter it now at PowerTalk1360.com. Power Talk First Traffic. Real-time traffic updates. Morning and afternoon on Power Talk.
Welcome to the Glenda program. It is Friday. Now, my basic understanding of water issues is that when you turn on the valve, it comes out. So, like, I am not no reference, but I'm curious as to you seem to have real passion over these dams and these rivers, and I don't understand these issues at all. And I'm trying to real passionate about them because I grew up in the Pacific Northwest, only hearing about the bandstand and spotted eagles and whatever. Right. That's what they're saying they're doing this for. Right? They're saying so they're taking down 4 dams. 4 days. Now, it's my understanding that this is planetary, that would affect Washington, Oregon, and California. You're in the middle of the drought. You don't close the reservoir. You kill, these dams each power about 70,000 houses a year. You lose the power.
to understand, you go east of Seattle, Portland, all the way to at least the middle of Montana, Wyoming. That's farmland right now, but it's technically a desert. If you don't have water, you don't grow anything. It becomes a desert again. You don't grow wheat. You don't grow alfalfa. You aren't raising cattle or chickens or anything. It dries everything up. Only because we have those dams and those water systems, we're able to generate electricity, live in a desert, and make the desert green to be able to grow food. Why, in your wildest imagination, would you blow those dams up? I mean, that is, honestly, if we were at war, that's what our enemies would do. They would be sabotage, blow up the dam. Think about that program. When this mom came into a pre-board clinic scheduled an abortion, she had no idea that the life inside of her was not just one, but two.
When I see that we just had an for me, this feeling of life. Here is a heartbeat, I